dear crochet friends, in this video I will show you how to crochet a so nice hat like that. It's very easy and I will explain you everything step by step. If you want to look at my nice neck warmer, please look in the information box below. You will find the link for this nice tutorial as well. Okay, here we go. For this project I'm using a worsted weight yarn like that and two different hook size, 5 millimeters at the beginning and then 4 millimeters. Let's start with 5. Magic ring to start, chain 1, and then into this magic ring 12 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till 12. Listen, my friends, this is very, very important, so you have to fix it in your mind. At each new round, I have to change direction. So chain 2 at each new round and then turn your work. Round number 2, chain 2, which takes the place of the first double crochet, first half double crochet, into the same stitch 1 half double crochet. Now I will do 2 half double crochet in every stitch below. So in the next one 2 and the same in every stitch. At the end of this round I will get 24 half double crochet. At the end of round number 2, slip stitch to join into the chain number 2. Next round, chain 2 and turn your work. From this round on, you will always turn your work at each new round. Into the same stitch, half double crochet 1. Now into the next one, just 1. Into the next one, 2. Into the next one, just 1. Continue like that, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 till the end of this round. At the end of this round you'll get 36 half double crochet. Round number 4, chain 2, which takes the place of the first half double crochet, and turn your work. Now I have to do I don't have to do any increase. I will half double crochet 1 in each stitch below So directly into the second stitch, half double crochet one, into the next one just one, and go ahead like that till you get to the end of this round. At the end of this round you get 36 half double crochet. Round number 8, repeat 60 half double crochet, no increasing. Round number 9, chain 2 and turn your work into the very first stitch, 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Into the next 4 stitches, no increasing, so just 1 half double crochet in each one of the next 4 stitches. After each 4 stitches you have to increase again, so into the next one, 1 and 2 half double crochet, and then again 1, 2, 3 and 4, into the next one, 2, 1 and 2. Repeat that all the way around. At the end of round 9 you'll get 72 half double crochet. Round number 9, I'm repeating 72 half double crochet, no increasing. Round 10, I'm repeating 72 half double crochet, no increasing. At the end of round 10, I have more or less a diameter of about 22 centimeters. It could be from 21 to 23 according to the yarn you have used. Round 11, repeat again 72 half double crochet. Round 12, chain 2 and turn. Now I have to reduce from 72 to 60 half double crochet. I will decrease after each 4 stitches. Into the first stitch 1/2 double crochet, second, third, fourth, and now after 4 half double crochet, my reduction, my decreasing. Into the next stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, into the next one, pull it through, and finish together. I have to do that after each 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now decreasing into the next 2 stitches. Repeat that all the way around. At the end of this round, you'll get 60 half double crochet. Round 13 and 14, repeat 60 half double crochet. Round 15, from 60 to 50 half double crochet. Chain 2 and turn into the first 4 stitches, 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next 2 stitches, 1 decreasing, 1, 2 together, and continue this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next 2 reduced, till you get to the end of this round with 50 half double crochet. Then at round 16 and 17, repeat 50 half double crochet. Okay, round 18, from 50 half double crochet to 45 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Now I know that I have to decrease after each 9 stitches. So into the first 9 stitches, 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Into the next 2 stitches, I have to decrease. Into the first stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops on my hook. Into the next one, pull the yarn through the stitch and 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull it through. I have to repeat that after each 9 single crochet. I have my decreasing. At the end of this round, I'll get 45 single crochet. Round 19 and round 20, repeating 45 single crochet. No decreasing, no additional decreasing. Round 21, this is the last one, refining round. Chain 1, enter again the very first stitch and slip stitch. Yarn over into the same stitch. Pull the yarn through the stitch, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, into the same stitch, pull the yarn through the stitch. Now you get 5 loops on your hook. yarn over again and finish your stitch like that. Skip the next stitch, go into the next one and slip stitch. That's all. Now you have to repeat the same. Through, pass it through again twice, yarn over and finish together, skip one stitch into the next one, slip stitch and repeat.